Orion Bridge, built by Orion Protocol, is the first cross-chain bridge built on peer-to-peer atomic swap technology, enabling cross-chain trading with no limits, delays, blocked funds, or exploits. Let's now take you through how to use it. Before starting, if you haven't already set up Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask wallet, you can visit our other Orion resources to find out how. Step 1. Connect your wallet. Firstly, connect your wallet to Orion Terminal and select the Ethereum network. Step 2. Atomic Swap. On the left panel dashboard, choose the Orion Bridge icon. From here, click the Create Atomic Swap button. When the Orion Bridge menu loads, select the asset you wish to bridge. In this example, we use USDT. Choose the network you wish to bridge to, then enter the desired amount you want to use and click Swap. A MetaMask notification will then pop up asking you to confirm the gas fee. Although there is no bridge fee for V1 of Orion Bridge, there is a network fee, only when depositing and withdrawing. As we're moving from Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain, this will be paid in ETH. This will enable you to trade ERC20 assets on BSC chain for near zero fees, only paying to bridge back to Ethereum. Confirm the MetaMask signing and wait a few seconds or so until the transaction completes. Step 3. Switching network. Click the Change button which appears to redeem the order on the chosen destination network. Click Switch Network on the MetaMask prompt and then select the Redeem button. Now MetaMask pops up to confirm another network fee, except this time it is paid in BNB as the destination chain is Binance Smart Chain. If you are new to Binance Smart Chain, pressing Redeem will add 0.05 BNB into your wallet to enable your first trade on Binance Smart Chain. We recommend you use this to purchase BNB on the terminal in order to continue trading. Click Confirm and wait until the completed notification arises. You are now trading the Ethereum asset on the Binance Smart Chain for much lower fees and much higher speed. When a user has finished trading on the destination chain, the same process will be required to bridge the asset back onto its native chain. Trading will occur as normal. To trade ERC20 assets on BSC, trade as normal on Orion Protocol using the select assets. Then use the previous steps to bridge these assets back to the Ethereum network.